Hello everyone, and welcome back to day number 4 of learning Thank You for the Blood. Hey, my name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here, especially if you're sticking it out, because this is definitely has more vocabulary than a song that we normally try, but I'm glad you're sticking with it. And today we are going to walk through the song from top to bottom. So if for some reason this is the first video you're seeing, you want to go back and see parts 1, 2, and 3 where I explain how to do each sign. Today we're going to just practice what we learned in those 3 videos, and we're going to sign this song from top to bottom. Remember that I'm left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there's a link to print out the lyrics, and last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, from the top, okay? So I was a wretch. I was a sinner. I remember who I was. I was lost. I was blind. I was running out of time. Okay, you're gonna run out of it. And then sin separated. The breach was far too wide, and normally I'd go a little higher, but I'm trying to stay in the camera, okay? The breach was far too wide, but from that far side of the cavern, you held me in your sight, okay? You made a way across the great divide, left behind heaven's throne to build it here inside. Okay? And there at the cross, you paid the debt I owed. Okay? You paid my debt. You broke my chains, freed my soul, and for the first time, I had hope. Remembering I'm signing now, I have hope. Okay, some people might go, for the first time, I had hope. Okay, and now we go on to that chorus. Thank you, Jesus, or thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, that you've washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, that you have saved my life. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. Okay, now moving on to verse number 3, that you took my place. Remember, we're exchanging. Laid inside my tomb of sin. You were buried for 3 days, but you walked right out again. And now death has no sting, and life has no end. Or you can say, and life is forever. For I have been transformed, I have been changed by the blood of the Lamb. We're signing Jesus there. If you're doing Lamb, it's like this. Okay, now back to the chorus. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, you have washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. Brought me from the darkness into glorious light. Okay? So there is nothing stronger than the wonder-working power of the blood that calls us sons and daughters. We are ransomed by our Father through the blood. And that repeats, so there is nothing stronger than the wonder-working power of the blood that calls us sons and daughters. We are ransomed by our Father through the blood. And then that chorus again. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, you have washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life, brought me from the darkness into glorious light. And then that final little beautiful verse, glory to his name, glory to his name. There to my heart was the blood applied. Glory to his name. Okay, so stick with it. Practice that as many times as you need to. And in that next video, we're finally going to sign with the music. Bye. Remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.